Surfer here, and if you're watching this video, you've probably heard about today's aborted suborbital space flight by Virgin Galactic. Um, Good news is that the crew landed safely without any propulsion, which it has been designed to do and tested before. So that's great. But what does it mean for the stock? Well, let's take a look at the chart. We're looking at the 3-month chart, and we can see that since October 30th, we have been on a tear, hitting all the way up to $36-ish. I'm not sure if it went higher. This is pretty huge gains here. It's almost doubled in the last, couple months. And really, personally, I thought that they were due for a dip regardless of the results of this flight. Now that the flight has been aborted, I'm expecting a much bigger dip. But for how long? That is the question. Virgin Galactic released a tweet just recently that said the ignition sequence for the rocket motor did not complete. Vehicle and crew are in great shape, and that they have several motors ready at Spaceport America, and they will check the vehicle and be back to flight soon. The keyword being soon. We don't really know how soon that's going to be. I think that, let's go to the 1 week. It's just been trading a little sideways for the last week. But we're near all-time highs. This thing did go parabolic. Let's just quickly go back in February, right before the whole pandemic. And man, we can see what happened there. Now, this isn't quite as parabolic as that was, but the news here is a bit different. It's a tough one to predict here. There are a lot of Robinhood investors who have been waiting to buy the dip, so to speak. It seems like they like to buy the dip before it even dips. Like, I've been looking at earnings from like Tesla and Uber, and it's strange because the bad news, the stocks have been going up, and with good news, stocks have been going down. It's almost like people are so excited to buy or sell on news that they do it before the stock even has a chance to move. But my opinion is it'll be a short dip if they announce another flight. I'm not saying that it's going to just skyrocket and just hit all new highs, but I do think it would recover a bit if it does even dip on Monday. Who knows? They could announce something before Monday, so we don't know. But if it's pushed back for like months, let's say, I really see this taking a big hit and bleeding. But that could, give us another opportunity to invest in this company if you missed out back in the day. I personally do have some investments with this company. The ticker symbol, by the way, is SPCE. If you do want to invest, they're trading around $32 right now. I got in at around $19, and honestly, I was kicking myself because I did buy some shares when it was all the way down to like around $10 at the height of the pandemic. I wish I bought more. But $19 is where I'm at, and I probably wouldn't add more unless it was around that range again. So just to keep that in mind. This has been very volatile. It's great for options trading, but at the same time, it's getting expensive. Just a quick update there for Virgin Galactic. I don't think it's going to affect Rolls-Royce for the people who watch this channel for that type of news. It's just completely different, like ballpark, really. So anyways, guys, good luck. Just a quick update. I think it'll all be okay, as long as they can get space and really figure this out. Personally, I like the idea of Virgin Galactic. I like the idea of launching when you're already, halfway to space or however high that plane brings them. I've always kind of thought like it'd be cool if they could shoot put a rocket on a rail, like a half pipe, and just launch it up before they ever, lit the rocket off. But that's kind of crazy. This is a way to maybe cut down on some costs. I like the theory behind it. I'm not saying it's the best way or it's like going to be successful, but I do like the different approach to launching a rocket. I think that's interesting. So anyways, guys, have a good week. It's the weekend right now, but have a good week next week, and let's all make tons of money. Stock Surfer signing out.